Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, BenaGene, 30 Vegetarian Capsules. Product Overview Description. Advanced Cellular Health Advanced Vegan Non-GMO Gluten-Free Dietary Supplement GMP Manufacturing Quality Assured Independent Testing. Discussion. BenaGene with thermally stabilized oxaloacetate or 3-carboxy-3-hexapropanoic acid, a key intermediate in the Krebs cycle which is involved in cellular energy production. Suggested use. Take 1 capsule daily with food, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: organic rice hull, capsule, hypromellose and purified water. AOR guarantees that all ingredients have been declared on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, nuts, peanuts, sesame seed, sulfites, mustard, soy, dairy, eggs, fish, shellfish or any animal byproduct. Warnings. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Do not use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult a physician if you have a medical condition, or are taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. For adult use only. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you have diabetes. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.